Yo, yo, yo! It is your favorite wellness coach, Coach Show. What it do, Facebook? I am getting ready for my fit camp, and I'm about to make my little flat tummy water that I've been doing for the last probably month. I think is how long I've been doing it. It's super duper simple. I drink it with my Herbalife tea. I drink it with my Herbalife Bev mix. I always add Herbalife to it somehow, but this is my little flat tummy water. So let me tell y'all how it goes, okay? So you need lemons. So I use 2 lemons. I use a whole cucumber. I use a ginger root, and I use some mint leaves, okay? So that's all that you need, and you need a gallon of water, okay? So for the flat tummy water, you're literally just going to slice these things up and put it in the water. So I have my water already here in my pitcher. Hey, boo. So I'm gonna slice my lemons. Boo, can you get me a cheese shredder? Oh my God, get away from me. So silly. So I'm slicing my lemons. Bruh, come on now. I'm gonna put my lemons in here. I'm gonna slice 2 whole lemons. If y'all watch my stories, y'all know how much of a hater my husband is. He just stayed just hating. Look at him. Just walking all across the camera like I'm not live right now. Boo, boy. Oh my God, I can't deal with you. Okay, so lemon number 2. Boo, did you get me the shredder? You ain't even got me the shredder, yo. Can y'all see me? Lemon number 2 is going in. That's lemon number 2. And then I got my cucumber. I'm simply gonna slice this whole cucumber. What, boo? What you laughing about? Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much. You can sit it down and you can go back upstairs where you came from. Boom! I can't stand you. Get away. Such a distraction. I'm about to cut you. What are you doing? You liking my comments? Any comments? You just being a creep, like a little mascot who don't talk. Hello? Do you talk? Can you say something? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I just sliced up a whole cucumber, you guys. Okay? I'm gonna put my whole cucumber in my water. Quit being a creep. Okay, so my whole cucumber is there. And then I got my mint leaves. Okay, so I'm simply with mint leaves gonna take the leaves off of the stem. And I don't really measure, I don't measure nothing. So I don't know how many I use. Let me count real quick. That's 1 mint, 2. I can't stay here. Are you still here? I'm gonna say 3 mint leaves. Please go upstairs. Please go. All right, 3 mint leaves, okay? And then lastly, Joelle finally brought me, what you doing?
Where's my food going? I'm hungry.
The rice almost done. Lastly, Joelle finally brought me my shredder, so I got this little ginger root, so I'm gonna shred it.
Shut down!
Oh my God, he is ridiculous.
All down.
I'm gonna shred it with my little cheese shredder. Okay? So I don't really know how to shred cheese. Let me see. That's the right side. Okay. So we shred in ginger. And then it looks like this, guys. You see it? So I'm just gonna dump that into it. Again, I don't measure, so I really don't know how much ginger I'm putting. I'm just shredding. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I think that's the wrong side. That was the wrong side. Boom, 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 boom. Just shredding, shredding, shredding. All right, I'm gonna do one more good shred, okay? And I'm gonna be done. So I can feed this man, honey. Boom. All right, bam. And then I'm gonna get a spoon. Stir, stir, stir. And I'm done. All done. So it's really pretty. Okay, so again, it's lemons, 2 lemons, 1 whole cucumber, 3 mint leaves, and about 3 nice shreds of ginger. I know you can't really see in it, but it smells delicious. It's really, really fresh. Then I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let that sit overnight. And then tomorrow it's gonna be really good and infused. And tomorrow morning I'll have it with my tea. Tomorrow afternoon I'll have it with my tea. So the benefits of my tea, first of all, is my tea is energizing and fat burning. And then the benefits of lemon is detoxifying and fat burning as well. Ginger is detoxifying. Cucumbers has a lot of vitamins. And what's the last thing? Mint. I'm gonna have to research mint. I'm gonna get back with y'all on that. But I know this whole little concoction is just very, very helpful and has a lot of benefits. And one thing that you could add to it that I haven't tried yet is just a little cap full of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I do not advise drinking apple cider vinegar by itself when it's not diluted, but if it's with a cup of water and other things, I don't mind like a cap full of ACV, apple cider vinegar. So I might try that this week too. So yeah, it's been working for me. This week is not a good week for me as far as my tummy is concerned, but it's not bad still. So yeah, I'll be drinking this all week long just to try to keep the bloat away. Ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Try the flat tummy water. It doesn't taste that good by itself. Honestly, if I'm honest, it tastes like lemons and cucumbers and ginger and mint. That's what it tastes like, and it doesn't taste sweet. But if you add, well, you don't have to add Herbalife to it, but you should, okay? Anyways, I got to get these children fed and this man fed. Try it. If you try it, take a picture and tag your favorite wellness coach, Coach Show. Peace.